This hub is stuck tight. Need a hand? Yeah, it's almost there. All right, keep at it. Just pull tight. I'll pull while you twist. Careful, good way. Look at that rust.
Jesus, you are powerful.
This section is
Oh
really caked in rust.
Lord,
On it,
you
this should clean up nicely.
are great. You are mighty over all things.
All right, let's
No
swap these out.
one
Ready on this
else
side?
can
Line up,
take
focus it down
your
now.
place. You spoke the world to life,
On it. Old one's off.
called the
Let's get this engine
stars
cleaned
by
up. Rust is
name.
thick. Keep at it. It's looking better.
Every mountain bows before you. Every heart proclaims amaze how great you are, how great you are, creator of the earth and skies. How great you are, how great you are, Jesus be glorified. You formed the land and oceans, breathe life into dust from the rising of the sun. In you we place our trust. Your glory fills the heavens. Your mercy has no end. Forever we will worship our Savior and our friend. All the earth will sing your praise. Every tongue, every age, power and honor, wisdom and might be to you, our God, forever exalted.
Got it.
Fire forever exalted. How great you are, how great you are, mighty King enthroned on high. How great you are, how great you are, Jesus,
no play. Finish the last one.
Lord of all.
Take a look at this interior. It's in perfect condition. I'm on it. I'll get the driver's side. Roll it down when you're done. All right, let's fix this windscreen. Got it. Look at the clock. Wipe these down now. All right, take her out. Take her for a spin. Got it. All right, getting the new rear glaces now.